Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get 1099 from Crypto.com. At first, go through Crypto.com and log into your account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. From the dashboard of the app, tap on this 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner. This will bring up Main menu. From here, tap on your profile. Then choose Settings. Scroll down and select Contact Support. This will redirect you to Help Center. Click Send us a message. A chat box will appear for you to send your request. Choose your preferred language. Then select Tax Documents in the option. This will help the team to know what you need. Click on the highlighted link to open the 1099 form. Just fill up your email and SSN in the form. Double-check your details to avoid delays. Then submit it. So, that's how you can get 1099 from Crypto.com. Thanks for watching.